Welcome to the month of February and the month of love. Let's show some love to our homes. And we'd like to say showing love to our homes is in the form of taking care of it and doing the maintenance. You should be budgeting between 1 and 3% of your home value every year in just homes. And we're just talking about on a $400,000 house. I'm talking about just between $4 and maybe $10,000 a year, just upkeeping your house and keeping up with it. Because we want to keep that asset ready to go. So when you sell it, you get the biggest return on your investment. I want to talk about lighting, especially when the days are short and we don't have that much light. So when we come home to dark homes, a lot of times we don't like to turn lights on, but that can be problems. So we want to make sure that you're thinking about your ambient light, your task lighting, and your accent lighting. Those are especially important as we get older. We want to make sure that we aren't having any trip hazards. And we want to help illuminate your house. So give us a call at the Trusted Toolbox or chat with us, or you can even submit an online form and we'll take care of you. And we want to help light up your life. Let's show that home some love that it deserves.